So that shows that 50 years cannot happen by fluke. But now onwards, they are expanding their business, and at the same time, they want more visibility and all. So maybe because of that, they have chosen me as a brand ambassador. So I am also now a family member of ABS.
ছেলের মা
মা তো আমারও বিয়ে দেখবে না নাকি?
ভাই কপালে দিলাম ফোঁটা, জম দুয়ারে পড়লো কাটা, যমুনা দেয় জমকে ফোঁটা, আমি দিই আমার ভাইকে ফোঁটা। আমাকে ফোঁটা দেবে না মা? ভাই ফোঁটা না বোন ফোঁটা?
দুটোই। আরে এবার একটা ক্লাসিক্যাল হোক না।
আরে ক্লাসিক্যাল তো বুঝলাম, কিন্তু কি ভরতনাট্যম, কত্থক, ওড়িশি? ও ওয়েস্টার্ন।
কেন, এটা ক্লাসিক্যাল না?
নিশ্চয়ই।
ভেঙে গড়ে সবাই সবার মতো করে, আমাদের বাঙালিয়ানা, বাংলার খাঁটি সোনা।
एक्सक्लूसिव ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन डीटीसी लंदन द्वारा बेस्ट शोरूम अवार्ड विनर आरआर अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स, कोलकाता जयपुर के बाद अब रौरकेला में भी आरआर अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स, रिश्ता भरोसे का।
अनिल बालाजी स्टील ने टॉलीवुड अभिनेता आबिर चैटर्जी को अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया है। इसी सिलसिले में 24x7 ताज़ा समाचार की टीम ने आबिर चैटर्जी से एक खास बातचीत की। बातचीत के दौरान उन्होंने अनिल बालाजी स्टील के साथ अपने जुड़ाव, अपने करियर के सफर और सफलता के साथ साथ आने वाली फिल्मों को लेकर भी चर्चा की।
दोस्तों, अनिल बालाजी स्टील ने मशहूर अभिनेता नन अदर देन आबिर चैटर्जी को अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के तौर पर चुन लिया है, जो इस वक्त हमारे बीच मौजूद है। अबिजा, पहले तो हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you very much.
अबिजा, how does it feel to be associated with this brand like?
As I said just a few minutes before, it's a moment of excitement, and it's a huge responsibility also, because this brand was here for last 50 years. So that shows that 50 years cannot happen by fluke. But now onwards, they are expanding their business, and at the same time, they want more visibility and all. So maybe because of that, they have chosen me as a brand ambassador. So I am also now a family member of ABS. So as a family member, I need to be in the same journey. I am very hopeful, because they are doing great business for last so many years, and that will only increase. So, and with steel, the first thing that comes to our mind is strength. So greater strength and greater power to them also, and through them more employment generation, more revenue generation. And as this organization is from Bengal, so we can proudly say that from Bengal we boast a great name in steel business also. There are other bigger names also, but from now onwards I would like to see that this brand comes on the top of mind.
किसी भी ब्रांड को चुनने से पहले किस तरह का अन्वेषण आप क्या करते हैं?
Depends. As I said, consistency is number one thing. Number two is what's their intent, and number three is how passionate they are about their own work. So these are the few things, and after that there is a long discussion that happens. Like I also try to understand what they are expecting from me, and what can I contribute also. And it's a combined game. It's a team game again.
आप कंसिस्टेंसी की बात कर रहे हो, अगर आपकी फिल्मी कैरियर को पकड़ के चलें, क्या लगता है कि मतलब किस तरीके से आप इसको बरकरार रखते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं? या एक और सवाल आ सकता है कि कभी स्टारडम जाने का भाव मन में आता है?
I have seen stars in my life also, and I have followed them. I have got inspiration from them, which I strongly believe is that you can be a superstar, you can be a megastar, but the most important thing is to connect with the people. And to be connected with the people, you need to understand their emotions. And I am very fortunate that I am doing something as a profession which also satisfies me from inside. So it's a combination of passion and profession. Very few people in this world, they get this opportunity to pursue something which they are very passionate about, and that becomes his or her profession. So I'm eternally grateful for that. And the amount of love and affection and good wishes I get from the audience from every age bracket, I always feel very humbled. So in return, what I can do, I can do my work with honesty, with hard work, because that's the connecting point between an actor and the audience. So I think this is very basic. And about being consistent, see, in any journey, in any profession, in anything, if you try, keep on trying, you will understand that the failures are much higher in the number. If you try for maybe 10 times, you may fail for 7 or 8 times, but the rest to when you win, that makes up the whole thing. So you just keep on trying, be honest with your work, that's it.
कोई यादगार लम्हा जिसे आप साझा करना चाहेंगे?
There are so many things in my career.
Just one.
Just a few like years back, I was shooting here in this floatal. It's a film called Alap, and it's very close to my heart, and a very soft, very heart-touching story. So I remember that day also, and through that work, now that this new journey has started, I believe that the ABS family, they have seen my work, and they somehow felt that maybe my work or my positioning may have a connect with ABS. So it's again, as I said, your work should speak for you.
आपने सही कहा, अनिल बालाजी स्टील ने आपको इसलिए चुना क्योंकि आप काफी डाउन टू अर्थ हैं। क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So I jokingly say that I think I have an impressive height for a people who like who is taller needs to know what's happening down there. That's a joke. But you know, as I said, I should feel grateful that I'm doing something which I like to do, and I'm getting so much of love. So what is the point of being vain? What is the point of being very arrogant? There is no point, because this love, this affection that comes through your work. So there's no point being arrogant. I have seen huge superstars. I have interacted with them, and I have never felt that, you know, that air of negativity or the air of arrogance. Never. So I learn from them also.
And what's coming up next, like your projects and all?
I think in Pujo there will be a film by Srijit Mukherjee. Nandi Movies have produced a film. It's called Emperor vs. Sharat Chandra. It's about Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, one of the most popular novelists, most popular writers we had in Bengal. He actually, his novel Pather Dabi was banned by British government because they thought that this may create more tension, and this anti-British movement may get fueled. So they actually banned the book. So it's about that incident, why a maestro or a person like Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay has chosen a subject like Pather Dabi, whatever hardships he has faced, and Pather Dabi's incidents will also be shown on big screen. So it's a Srijit Mukherjee film, as I said. So this Puja, this film will be coming.
अबीर साहब, इस वक्त हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से जितने भी दर्शक आपको देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, अनिल बालाजी स्टील को लेकर एक संदेश क्या देना चाहते हैं?
As Anil Balaji Steel family, they say एक नाम संपूर्ण समाधान. So they're ready with their solutions, and I believe कि अनिल बालाजी स्टील बहुत बहुत आगे जाएंगे, और अकेला आगे जाने से कुछ फायदा नहीं है, कुछ मजा नहीं है. The whole family, ABS family, एक साथ, and all the customers, all the clients एक साथ जब आगे बढ़ेंगे तब ना मजा होगा.
उनसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर. थैंक यू.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट 24/7 ताजा समाचार।
নমস্কার, আমি ঋতুপর্ণা সেনগুপ্তা। 24/7 তাজা সমাচারের জন্য রইল আমার অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা, ভালোবাসা। অল দি বেস্ট।
24/7 ताजा समाचार के पाठकों के लिए मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
24/7 তাজা সমাচারের সকল দর্শকদেরকে আমার পক্ষ থেকে অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা।